Good afternoon, dear students. Good afternoon. So, in today's class, we will discuss the design thinking based problem in the subject PHP. So, what does PHP mean? So, PHP is a server-side scripting language. So, mainly it is used for creating dynamic web pages. So, dynamic web pages can be created more effectively with the help of the PHP. So, we will discuss a design thinking based problem in the subject PHP. So, the title of the problem is student online feedback system. So in the online feedback system, we are going to collect feedback from different type of stakeholders like students, teachers, etc. So they are going to give feedback about particular courses, particular faculty, and particular services that is offered in the college or the facilities that is offered in the college. So this is a problem. So previously in this problem they were doing everything manually. So using a design thinking based problem will give a solution for this. So can you give your suggestions about this particular design thinking?
So the 5 stages of DBs are the empathy, define, ideate, test, prototype and test. So the first stage is empathy. So empathy means understand the human's pain. So for our problem we have the solutions like wants to a simple anonymous way to give honest feedback. So faculty needs structured, easy to read feedback reports, and the main points are manual correction, delayed analysis, low participation, and data errors.
So as she pointed out, there are many drawbacks in this particular problem. So we will give a solution for this based on the 5 stages of DB. So we have stage by stage, anyone can explain about this.
How might we design a digital system that allows students to submit feedback, post feedback easily while enabling faculty and admin to analyze results quickly and accurately?
So we are going to define the problem. So here, how we are going to define the problem? So we are going to collect feedback from different types of persons like students about their courses, faculty, etc. So can anyone explain the next stage?
Ideate, possible solution respond to feedback assumption, login system to ensure only enrolls student functions feedback, dashboard for teachers and admin with charts and summaries, anonymous feedback option to encourage honesty, tool solution, PHP based web application with students login, feedback forms and admin dashboard.
So as you pointed out Ideate, right? So in the Ideate, we are going to create a different type of dashboard for courses, giving feedback for courses, giving feedback for faculty and other facilities in the college. So using the dashboard, so the students can directly log in and they can give their feedback. And the reports can be taken very easily. Can anyone explain the next stage?
Prototype. Student parents submit feedback for each course, rating plus comments. Admin parent view aggregated data, generate PDF records, sequence, database, students course sequence.
Okay, as you pointed out, so we are going to create different type of database for particular student, particular course, so particular faculty and other things. So with the help of the PHP and MySQL, we are going to create a database and the data is fed into the database. So whenever needed, you can take the particular data from the database and the reports also can be generated. So can anyone explain the next stage?
Is collect feedback on based on use response time and anonymity. Adjust the dashboard layout from validation and reporting based on feedback.
So as you pointed out, so test finally it is the final stage of the design thinking problem. So once all the feedback is collected, so it is analyzed and the ratings and the other things about the feedback, what the things to be improved. So everything is generated with the help of the test. Okay, anyone conclude this design thinking based problem?
So the expected outcome of our problem is increase students' participation in feedback, reduces the paperwork and administrative support.
So the main paperwork and administrative work is reduced. So with the help of this problem. So finally, so what we implement in this case study, that is design thinking based problem is, so we are going to implement the particular problem with the 5 stages of thinking, and we get more accessible to the system. So by the system, so the efficiency gets improved and the system gets 100% business. Thank you all for sharing your valuable